Break the lug nuts with a 19mm socket. Remove the wheel speed sensor with a 10mm socket. Remove the caliper bracket bolts with a 17mm socket. Remove the caliper, hang it up to the side. Loosen up the rotor by hitting it with a hammer in the center to release it. Next, you're going to want to bend back out this axle nut and then take it off with a 36mm socket. Pin the wheel bearing with a pry bar so it doesn't move. Use a 36mm socket. Maybe spray it down with some penetrating oil and go get a snack. Next, you're going to want to remove the 4 bolts holding on the wheel bearing with a 17mm socket. After you get the 4 bolts off, just give the center axle just a little bit of tug with a hammer to knock off. Get your new shiny part, put on the axle, start threading in the 4 bolts on the back to 72 foot-pounds, and then reinstall the wheel speed sensor. Go ahead and torque the axle nut to 181 foot-pounds. Take a punch in your axle nut. If you have your rotor screws, go ahead and install those. Go ahead and torque the brake caliper bolts to 79 foot-pounds. Go ahead and reinstall the wheel. Here's the old one. Can't really feel anything on it, can't hear anything on it, but definitely got rid of my shake. It did sound like it was in the front left, but it was definitely this rear. We had someone sit in the back of the car and you could feel it definitely on that side.